Whiten teeth instantly with baking soda. Correct procedure. Your smile can reveal a lot about your personality. While unnaturally white and sparkling teeth may be a little unnerving, a healthy white smile gives off an affable impression and inviting signal. So how to go about whitening your teeth instantly without resorting to expensive dental bleaching sessions that may be harmful in the long run? Regular consumption of dark liquids like red wine, beer, black tea, coffee and colas is the most obvious culprit responsible for yellowing and staining of the teeth. If it's dark in color, it's bound to stain those pearly whites of yours. Smoking is another major cause of stained teeth. Baking soda, a mild abrasive agent, is an effective teeth whitening remedy if used responsibly. It works best for surface stains and plaque removal and also prevents discoloration. Its periodic use also supports good oral hygiene, as it can neutralize bacterial acids in the mouth that often lead to tooth decay and gum problems. Irresponsible use of teeth whitening practices almost always leads to dental problems, with enamel erosion being the most prominent. Now that you know the risks involved and the precautions that you need to heed, take a look at 5 effective teeth whitening tips. Method 1. Use baking soda with water. One of the simplest ways to use baking soda for teeth whitening is to use a baking soda and water paste. This one-ingredient method is fast and easy to put together, and you can easily make use of tap water for this. Step 1. Put 1 tablespoon baking soda and enough water to make a paste. Mix the ingredients well to make a smooth and runny paste. Step 2. Put the baking soda paste on your toothbrush and carefully brush your teeth with it for about 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth completely to remove any traces of baking soda and see your teeth whiten instantly. Repeat this method once a week for a few months to achieve good results. Method 2. Use baking soda with toothpaste. You can give an extra kick to your regular toothpaste by adding baking soda to it. This is one of the safest options for teeth whitening. The fluoride present in toothpaste protects the teeth from cavities and helps strengthen the tooth enamel. The added mild abrasion of baking soda will help remove stains. For best results, use a white paste instead of fancied gels. Things you'll need: baking soda, 1 tablespoon and toothpaste, 2 tablespoons. Put a little baking soda in a small bowl. Add twice the amount of any generic white toothpaste. Mix the 2 ingredients completely to make a smooth paste. Put the baking soda and toothpaste mix on your toothbrush and brush your teeth with it for about 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth completely with plain water to observe instant change in the color of your teeth. Repeat once or twice a week for a few months to observe noticeable changes. Method 3. Use baking soda with hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a bleaching agent that's safe to use for teeth whitening. It is an active agent in most teeth whitening products. Hydrogen peroxide also helps sanitize the mouth by killing harmful bacteria. Combining hydrogen peroxide with baking soda releases free radicals that help break up the stain molecules on the surface of the teeth. The stains can then be easily brushed away. Things you'll need: baking soda, 1 tablespoon and 3% hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Put 1 tablespoon baking soda in a small bowl. Pour 3% hydrogen peroxide enough to make a paste. Mix the ingredients completely to make a smooth paste. Brush your teeth with baking soda hydrogen peroxide paste. Put the paste on your toothbrush and brush your teeth with it for about 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth with plenty of water and observe your teeth go white at one go. Repeat this activity twice a week for 8 to 10 weeks to get good results. Method 4. Use baking soda with lemon juice. Lemon juice is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a lot of home remedies, including teeth whitening. While people are often wary of using lemon juice on their teeth, it can produce good results without any adverse effects if used with certain precautions. Citric acid present in lemon juice makes it a good bleaching agent. This remedy produces significant results immediately. Using this remedy once every 2 to 3 months should not give rise to any dental problems. Put some baking soda in a small bowl and add an equal amount of fresh squeezed lemon juice to it. The bubbling and fizzing will settle as you mix the ingredients to make a smooth paste. Put a little of the paste on your toothbrush. Gently massage your teeth with it in circular motions for not more than 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth with plenty of water, so that no trace of lemon juice or baking soda remains. Repeat this activity once every 2 to 3 months. Method 5. Use baking soda with coconut oil. If you have sensitive teeth or gum issues, consult your dentist before using baking soda to whiten your teeth. Do not forego your regular oral hygiene in favor of teeth whitening techniques. Do not use baking soda remedies if you wear braces containing orthodontic glue or use a permanent retainer, as baking soda will soften the glue. Make the pastes as smooth as possible. Gritty pastes can damage tooth enamel. Refrain from brushing the pastes for more than 2 minutes at a time, and avoid harsh scrubbing to protect your gums and enamel from harm. Use these baking soda pastes not more than 2 or 3 times a week, or less often where noted above. Excessive use can lead to erosion of tooth enamel and cause teeth sensitivity. If the baking soda remedies are not suitable for you, you can also whiten your teeth with turmeric powder or peels from fruits like bananas and oranges. Include strawberries, apples, raw carrots, celery and popcorn in your diet to help keep your teeth clean naturally. That's all about how to whiten teeth instantly with baking soda.